What do you have? What do you have? What do you have? Finished. That was funny. Okay. This time, clap 3 times and say finish. Ready, go. What do you have? What do you have? What do you have? Finish. That was better. Okay, good. This time, say it 3 times. Stand up, sit down, and say finish. Ready, go. What do you have? What do you have? Stand up, sit down, finish. Okay, that was not so good. One more time. Ready, go. What? Stand up, sit down, finish. Good. Which side was better? Which side was better?
Our side.
This side. Okay, you got a point. How many times did you say, what do you have? Many times. Okay. This is the way we teach the question form. They're not saying, what do you have? But they're saying, what do you have? At regular speed, right? And we have them say it many, many times, 3 times like this, so that they get used to using the muscles in their mouth. What happens with English is that when you speak English, the muscles that you use in your mouth are different than Korean. In English, you have to use the whole mouth, you have to use the whole tongue, the back, the front, the sides, the tip, the middle, everything. And in Japanese, you just use the tip of your tongue, so you can go, konnichiwa, sayonara, ohayo gozaimasu. And you don't have to move your mouth. And when my girls were small, they said, you know, they were watching television, and they were watching an American comedy program. And they said, Mommy, do Americans have faces made of rubber? And I said, why? And they said, well, they can move their mouths and like this and everything, but Japanese and other people, they just talk like this. So we have to develop the muscles for English for our students. So that's why we have them say it many, many times. And you see how easy and fun it is? Do you think it's fun? Yes. Okay, this side, I want you to ask the question, and this side you're going to answer. What's the question? What do you have? Okay, and you notice I did not say, ask what do you have? Because if I say, ask what do you have, what happens? You're giving away the answer, right? So now that you taught them, they have to tell you what they know. So what's the question?
What do you have?
And what's the answer?
I have.
Did you do this? Okay, -1 point over here. Ready, go. What do you have?
I have music.
What do you have?
I have teaching.
What do you have?
I have wallet.
Good, now you ask them. Ready, go. What do you have?
I have wallet. What do you have? I have calculator. What do you have? I have music player.
Very good. Did you want to see the cards when you were answering? You were trying to say, why didn't I show you the cards? Okay, when you ask a question, you ask because you're not sure, you don't know. So if I go this way, can you ask? Ask? Okay, you ask.
What do you have? I have teaching.
That's a little bit more comfortable for you, but for children, it's just asking and answering without realizing what the question is or what the answer is, right? So it's just automatic. So then when you say ask, they'll go, like that. So also, when you teach and you ask a question, do your children repeat after you instead of answering? If you say, what's your name? They say, what's your name? If you say, what do you have? They say, what do you have? And you say, no, say, I have a wallet. And they say, I have a wallet. They repeat everything, right? And that is the way you teach. So just with a little twist in your techniques, we can correct that. I will demonstrate it. Repeat after me, please. What do you have?
What do you have?
I have a wallet.
I have a wallet.
What do you have?
What do you have?
I have a calculator.
I have a calculator.
What do you have?
What do you have?
I have a music player.
I have a music player.
What? Can you say it? What do you have?
What do you have? I have a teaching.
You see what happened? You are just teaching your children how to imitate you. repeat after you, so they don't know how to answer the question. So what you have to do is what I did, is separate the question and the answer always. Okay, so that they know that when you ask something, the answer is different. Got it? Okay, good. Now, what I would like you to do is to get into pairs, and let's see, I need 2 people to demonstrate for me.
I have a wallet. What do you have? I have a calculator.
And say finish, and sit down. Okay, good. One more time. Okay, new answers. Ready, go.
What do you have? I have a calculator. What do you have? I have a keychain. Head down and sit down.
Okay, finished. Finish and sit down. Got it? Okay, everybody get a partner, stand up, and ask one each and sit down. If you don't have a partner, 3 people is okay. But do it as quickly as possible. Are you ready? Ready, go. All right, now when we want to teach them the yes-no answer, what was it? 있어요? Yes, 있어요? Yes? Say, yes I do. Yes I do. Say it 3 times. Yes I do, yes I do, yes I do. Okay, good. Do you have a wallet?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a keychain?
Yes, I do.
Do you have a music player?
Yes,
Do you have a camera? Yes I do. Okay, what did I say? Do you have? 3 times. Do you have? Do you have? Do you have? And then we split them into groups again, and you say, do you have a keychain? Yes, I do. Do you have a nana? Yes, I do. Like that. Okay? And this is how we teach the yes answer. And we only teach yes first. Don't teach yes and no together, because it gets too confusing. Okay, so I'm going to use this one because this is easier to see. Can you say bird? Bird. Computer. Computer. Cat. Cat. Dog. Dog. Giraffe. Giraffe. Okay, good. Giraffe 있어요? No, I don't. I don't know, is that correct? No, I don't.
No, I don't.
No, I don't.
No, I don't.
3 times. No, I don't. No, I don't. No, I don't. Do you have a giraffe?
No, I don't.
Do you have a bird?
No, I don't.
Do you have a computer?
No, I don't.
No, I don't. You're practicing no. You must say no. Okay, do you have a computer?
No, I don't.
Do you have a cat?
No, I don't.
Do you have a dog?
No, I don't.
Do you have a giraffe?
No, I don't.
Is something wrong?
Yes.
The pictures are upside down. And this is on purpose. Because if we do this time say yes, this time say no, there's too much teacher talk going on, right? So yes, they know exactly what to say. And once they know yes and no, you can mix it up. Okay, do you want to ask? Ready, go. Do you have a giraffe?
No, I don't. Do you have a bird? No, I don't. Do you have a bird? Yes, I do. Do you have a cat? No, I don't.
Okay, and then you can do it the other way to get opposite answers like that. So in this way, you will get your students to be able to speak step by step, and then guess what? They don't make any mistakes. All right? So we have a controversy about whether or not fluency is better than accuracy, or accuracy is better than fluency. In elementary schools in Korea or any country, do you know what they teach in elementary school? Yeah. They teach math, they teach language, they teach science, they teach everything, right? So the most important subjects are being taught in elementary school because the children are able to learn it, right? So now that we are teaching English to little children, we have to make sure that they can speak correctly as well as fluently, so that they can be